Arena in Munich. A warm welcome to all of you. John Champion and Jim Beglin on commentary duty today.
Hi John, hi everyone. I'm really looking forward to this match.
So we're off then. The keeper there to make the catch. He was well positioned, good defending there. David Edwards. Bakary Sakho. And it's hit forward. Intercepts the pass. Cleared away to safety. "15 minutes have passed. No goals as yet from either team. He's read it well. The defence does its job. They could be in here. He's onside. Chance. It's pretty effective defending. Knocks it through to the front line. And that's been cleared. A goal now would certainly liven things up. David Edwards. This one was too long. Lifts it over the top, chip through over the top, away to safety. And that's gone straight to the keeper. There is the end of the first period.
Well, this has proved a very frustrating day so far, especially for the strikers. Nothing has been created for them. I think the service has been extremely poor.
It's 0-0, so nothing to separate them. Paul Robinson. He plays it through. Tried to play it through. And the keeper has claimed it. Bakary Sakho. David Edwards, and now it's been played forward. Bakary Sakho trying to keep hold of it, but it's hardly easy. Still nothing to report here as far as goals are concerned. Touching the hour mark in this game. I think it's fair to say that defences have been on top so far in this fixture. It'll delight the coaches, if not all of the spectators. Whipped it away. He has finally delivered. He'd love to play against defenders as charitable as that every week.
Yeah, I've got great admiration for the finish, but I've even more admiration for the pass that set it up. It was delicious.
So we resume at 1-0.
Yeah, and they still have enough time to carve out a chance or two and get right back into this.
An important interception, things were starting to look dangerous. suddenly the defence is on the back foot. And a much-needed intervention that was too. Paul Robinson. Laid in accurately. David Edwards. He's looking to find his front men. Ball didn't quite come off. Could have been a very different outcome.
I thought it was good vision, but the execution was poor.
Paul Robinson. The danger was there, he dealt with it well. And he's made sure that's not getting through.
This late on, they need to be pushing forward if they're going to get a result.
Well intercepted, saw the danger and got to it. Victory is tantalisingly close. Challenge deemed unfair, foul given. This may well be their last surge forward, and they'll need to make sure it's a telling one. Oh, good block. He was in the right place. So near, but that is going to be the last kick of the game as the final...